So when you talk of fun and where to relax and chill and have fun with your loved ones, Maxi-Villa Intercontinental Hotel and Suite is ever ready to give you that good vibe. So follow me as I'll take you in. Okay, so when I talk of fun, I mean it when I say Maxi-Villa Hotel, like it's ready for us. Like when you talk of balling and fun. Let's go. See how beautiful the environment is. Very neat and beautiful. When you talk of Maxi-Villa Hotel and Suites, tell you guys that the place is fun. You're coming into a suitcase from any part of the world. They have space where you can enjoy yourself. They also have swimming pool for those of you that love swimming. For those of you that love football, they have space where they catch that good fun of playing ball. So let me take you guys around the field. For those of you that love playing football, like Maxi-Villa Intercontinental Hotel and Suites, hard where you can catch your fun. For those of you that love playing football, hey. Yes sir. Maxi-Villa Intercontinental Hotel and Suites. They have good place for you. Any kind of fun, bar, music. For those of you that love music, come and have fun. Come and enjoy yourself. A lot of people are here to have fun and enjoy themselves. Like it's a space where you can vibe with your friends, your loved ones and have fun, good fun that you like. So if you are looking for a space where you can have fun, you can come to Maxi-Villa Intercontinental Hotel to come and have your fun. Oh, look beautiful. The owner, the CEO of Maxi-Villa Intercontinental Hotel will be taking us around to show us around. So, let's go.
Asino jaluko, ekro yando, asino jaluko, ekro bendo, apoyo yo, asino mano jaluko, asino mano, don't get free, ekro bendo, anyway,
Maxi-Villa himself.
You see the view, you can feel outside, everything that is happening outside.
Yeah, from this place.
Yes.
Exactly. Oh, there's serious fresh air here coming up from here. Come on. I got to leave now. No, seriously. The space is nice. The place is nice. The place is very, very nice. Seriously. See you. Your space is very nice. Your hotel is nice and beautiful.
That's very fine, like you.
Oh, yeah. I feel myself. How do you feel?
I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah. Though I'm stressed, but I feel good.
Yeah, I can see you're very stressed.
Yeah.
Okay, so, congratulations.
You're welcome.
We thank God for everything.
Yeah.
So what has been your experience so far?
Hotel business is not just business. You can just walk up and say, let me just come in. Though, the first one we built, let me say, we used that one to learn. So this second one now, let me just say, let me rate myself 90% perfect, but not 100 till we get there. So
it's the first one as part of your experience.
Yes. So we did so many corrections, which I think the mistake we made the other side is not going to repeat itself here. So we're going to take enough correction here. Yeah.
It costs a lot. It costs time, money, everything.
Everything. But my strength. If you see me 3 days ago, even yesterday, I have not slept since yesterday. Working from morning to evening. Try to, make everywhere to be ready for today.
So what do you have to tell people that have this ambition of owning a hotel tomorrow?
Everybody can achieve it. Everybody can do it if you are determined. You understand? Apart from the stress, I know maybe in a month time, a week time, I'm going to recover back. So don't give up. If you are coming inside a hotel, if you want to come inside a hotel business, you should have courage to just come in. Since everybody is making it, you yourself will make it. Yeah. So thank you. You're welcome.
Aww.